Hey guys, Shel Sullivan here, and welcome back to my channel. You know, my channel's been picking up a lot of subscribers lately. Hello new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I've got like a huge backlog of videos that you need to catch up on. And one of those videos is exploding blowgun dart ammo. What I think is probably the most powerful exploding blow dart ammo on YouTube. Remember, I make these videos to entertain and to educate. But they're not for you to emulate, so don't ever try anything like this at home. Especially this one. I think this one is one of the more dangerous ones. So, don't do it. We're going to revisit this video. Yep. I've redesigned the front end, the detonating part of these exploding blowgun ammo, darts, whatever. So previously, I'd been using these Winchester primers for shotguns. And what I was doing was taking a shotgun primer, which very conveniently fits right inside the tip of one of those. But you see that now that tip it's recessed. So this alone wasn't good enough. So what I was doing was very carefully gluing a BB right on the top, in the middle of that thing. I created a method for it, but it was really a pain in the butt to get it to go. So out with the old, in with a new idea. What I've got is a big box of these super duper cheapy Rimfire 22 shells. So these 22 shells actually fit right down inside of there. Oh man, that would be stupid, wouldn't it? And I think since they're 22s, you know, the hammer on a 22 is a lot less springy than a shotgun. So I think these are going to be a little bit more sensitive. So maybe I can hit some softer targets with them. That'll be maybe in another video. We'll take recommendations for targets down in the comments, down in the doobly-doos. So the bullet on these 22 shells, you can almost just pull out by hand. But not quite. So we're going to pull out the lead. Gently roll it around a little circle and it'll slide out. Don't try to force it all at once, it'll come out. So there we go. Save that lead. A surprisingly small amount of powder in one of these things. Not much. But now I've exposed, is that mercury fulminate down inside of there? You can see it's like a paste that's been kind of just dripped down inside of there. It's kind of messy in there. In fact, see that little bit there runs all the way up to the edge. But I think that's mercury fulminate, and it's going to be pretty sensitive, and that's going to fit really nicely right in there and be exposed just the right amount. You guys have seen this part being made in the last video. So everything is the same up in here, using some straws and some tape and one of these bottle rocket tubes. They're very strong. And I think probably about 1 gram can usually fit in here. I'm going to measure these and make sure. And who knows, maybe we'll throw something special in there. Let's just make a plain one first. So I got this little, I made this little, ooh, look at this little spider. Look at there. Hello, little spider. Hello, little spider. You gonna fight? You gonna fight? Come on, get you some. Alright, go on. Be that way. You don't want to play. Go on. Go on, little spider. Go on. Goodbye. Got a little contraption here where I can hold that upright, where I can get it on the scale. So I've tested one prototype already, and it's pretty cool. We'll throw that video in with these other 4 once we get done with the build process. Let's do green first. That's more than a gram. That's 1.3 grams so far. I think I can go 1.5 grams. So green has 1.57 G of flash powder. Now hot glue, plop it in. Quick wipe around the edge. I know, hot glue's hot. You can see it sticks out over the edge, so I don't have to add anything to it. It's going to be a nice blunt impact. Plus, it doesn't stick out over this edge, so it's not any danger of triggering going down the tube. Bottoms up. No, I'm just kidding. This next one, I'm going to put some crackles in it. Some crackles I harvested and I didn't make them. So that's 1.6, but it's got some crackles in it, so 1.5. All right, let's seal this bad boy up. Let's do this. I've got couple stars. I have no idea what color they are, and they won't fit in there like that, but we're going to crush them. Oh, they're not solid all the way through. Check that out. Maybe a bentonite clay on the inside and just rolled in that solution. But anyway, we're just going to throw those star chunks in with the rest of those crackles. And we'll get some color out of this one. You guys ready to go shoot these things? Let's roll. And we're here. Here's the setup. I'm gonna be shooting from about here. I guess it's close. Okay. I'm gonna hit the broadside of a barn. Forgot my note. I don't remember which one is which. Do you guys? I gotta go get my notes. Let's go. Aha. That's our little corner of the yard there, guys. Let's get these cameras set up and explode something. Yeah. Those are so much easier to make than the ones with the shotgun primers. That was beautiful. Okay guys, green's up first. Gonna go set the GoPro up at 1080p, 240 frames per second. Man, that's diabolical.
Diabolical.
Alright, blue's up next. 1.5 grams of flash powder and some crackles. Let's see what happens. That's terrific, man. Okay, I thought I might wait till it gets dark before I set off the one with the starred pieces in it, but it's starting to pour down rain and it's very cold and my fingers are turning blue, so let's get this done. I pulled the GoPro back a little bit. I work hard for you guys, man. I didn't see a whole lot of color, but I can't see a whole lot of crap. It looks like I'm underwater. Well, I hope you liked that video. Man, that is so much fun. There's just something really visceral about that. Ah, that's so much fun. The one with the crackles, that was my favorite. Nah, the star one didn't turn out so much. But man, that crackle one, it was awesome. So I think I'm going to make some more like that and kind of fine-tune that recipe. I was able to recover one of those 22 shells, and it's kind of bulgy and misshapen. That was from the prototype one. You saw it flying out. And also what's cool is these tail pieces here, they were blown to crap there, but if you just trim them, then they can be reused. It's a little shorter now, but still plenty. I think that would be enough for it to fly nice and straight. And thanks again to all my new subscribers. You guys who've been on board for a long time, as they comment in there, you know, say hello to them. Thanks to my Patreons out there. You guys can jump on if you want. And if you're not, you know, you don't have to. And you know what? If you never ever want to see me again, you can just skip to the next video over there and don't ever subscribe to my channel. But I'm going to do even more cool stuff with this coming up, so you probably should. Just saying. Bye, guys.